Hello, welcome to another accountability vlog. Today, it's create a niche day. Supposedly, I was supposed to pick a niche by today, but one, I played pickleball with my dad for like most of the afternoon, and I no regrets. Another thing is, I was able to like pretty much finish the video. It's like beyond this, it's just like explanation and stuff. So I have yet to finish the actual understanding yourself portion, and yeah, the finishing like picking a niche first. Two main reasons, because like one, I was able to message like five or more people, but not all of them replied. One interesting thing I found is like they all give like different answers, which goes to show that maybe I am spreading myself too thin, or maybe it is a skill to really relate to people and like get to know their interests. But I digress. That's something for me to figure out tomorrow. The main takeaway I got from here is like the importance of focus and essentialism. I realized that I tend to be like an entrepreneur with two niches. Like I thought, because if you're new here, like my goal is to be like a missionary, youth ministry in September. That's why this series is called Project September. And from now till then, I'm just building my foundations, mindset. And if I make money, that's great. If I don't, then it's fine. Like at least I get experience. I'm here in this for the long game anyway, and I want to put God first. The main realization I have is like I've been going at this with like, okay, I will have ministry on the side and I will do business on the other side. And I was thinking maybe it is possible to find a niche that helps me like focus more on like theology and ministry and stuff, because that's the main feedback that I've received from my friends. And I'm very passionate, knowledgeable, and interested in God, in the Christian faith. Once again, that's for me to figure out tomorrow. I'll be going to sleep now so I can prioritize my brain health. And because I realize it's actually pretty hard, like knowing about yourself. I thought I was a self-aware person, but once I faced these like steps, like list five things, I'm like, what do I put here? Like, what do I actually like? It's just probably a me thing. But if you did experience this kind of hardship, if you experience this kind of setback, let me know. But yeah, I'll be finishing this by tomorrow, and I'll also do yeah, I'll also try to do total niche immersion by tomorrow. But if not, then it's fine. What I wanna this is like will influence the next 1, 2, 3, or 5 years. So I really want to take this properly. I want to spend 1 to 2 days and not just 10 minutes on this. That's why I'm postponing this to tomorrow. And once I have a list, I can just pick one. So looking forward to that, to finally having a niche. And I'll update you tomorrow about this. As for my sleep, I got pretty terrible sleep last night, so I'm gonna fix that. Um, yeah, I worked out, I meditated. What's this? Yeah, alright. Yeah, doing so far so good. Today was a mindset foundations day. Motivation was around 70%. I was focused. Like the videos today weren't that hard, so I was focused, and my output was around like 80%. I'd call this a solid 4 stars. 1.4 grade English. Oh yeah, 1% improvement I got was I didn't do what I banned myself from doing, which is watching TV. So this is like YouTube and Netflix, and playing music while in the shower. So that's a win. Plan to continue that. I've been more productive now. Uh, because this one is spending more time. It's yeah, pretty solid day, and I think it's a good call for me to end this tonight. I don't wanna rush picking a niche, even though it says like don't be indecisive. What I mean is like I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So yeah, I love this module, by the way. I love it. And yeah, all right. Have a great day.